Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel. This is a beginner full body conditioning sequence. This can be used as a standalone movement practice or something that you add in to an existing routine. You can do as many repetitions and sets as you would like, and also hold the poses for as long as you desire. Enjoy. We're going to start our workout by gently stretching out our neck. Nice and soft, nice and gentle, taking my right hand, slowly stretching the left side of my neck. Once again, nice and gentle, pulling my head down. Clasping my hands together, I'm trying to keep my torso upright. Now I'm going to press my head down, stretching out the muscles in the back of my neck. After this, I'm coming down into our kneeling position, and I'm going to do some shoulder circles to activate some synovial fluid. Now I'm going in the opposite direction, around back to the front, trying to keep things nice and gentle, nice and soft. I'm placing my hands on the ground, and I call these shoulder push-ups. I'm going into retraction and then protraction of the shoulders. Once again, I'm retracting, pinching, protracting, separating. Trying to keep this nice and soft and gentle. I'm slowly trying to load more and more body weight onto my hands so I can also condition the wrists. Now the side view will show you that I'm going into some shoulder circles. So I'm going in and out of all four ranges of motion of the shoulder. Trying to move my head and my neck. Now I'm moving into my arms, doing some internal and external rotation. Working more on the wrist and the shoulder. Internally rotate, externally rotate. Just trying to wake all the muscles up in the forearm, the bicep. Shaking things out nice and gentle. From here, I'm going to do some palm peels. Now, the trick to this is that I am going to externally rotate the arm and then roll up to my fingertips and slowly roll back down to my palm. That is our upper body segment. Now let's work on the lower body. We go into our 90-90 pose, or the 4x4, depending on whatever you like to call it. I'm going to transition in and out of the left side and the right side. Now this isn't quite beginner. If this is too hard for you to do with your hands up in the air, you can always place your hands down in back of you, taking a little pressure off of the hips, knees, and ankles, making it a little easier. Next, we are going to go to our left side in our 90-90, and I'm going to rotate my torso to the right-hand side and try to hold this position for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. It doesn't really matter, whatever you feel like doing for the day. Going over to my right side 90-90 and rotating my torso to the left. Again, you can do as many repetitions or hold the poses for as long as you want with this movement practice. It's really up to you just to keep it gentle, keep your breathing relaxed and calm so that your body responds properly. Once again, going over to my right side 90-90, rotating my torso to the left and ending it. Left side 90-90. And now I'm going to rotate my torso in the other direction, to the left on this side, rotating to my right side 90-90. Now I'm going to rotate my torso to the right. This really opens up the lower back. It feels great. I love doing this. Again, make sure to keep your breathing relaxed and calm, trying to stay nice and loose, smooth and fluid with all of your movements. From here, I'm going to do some external rotation of my left leg first. You can do as many repetitions as you would like. Just keep it nice and gentle. You're trying to keep the knee on the ground, externally rotating the leg so that you're lifting the foot in the air. Now I'm going to go to my right leg. Once again, you can see how I externally rotate so that my knee stays on the ground and my foot lifts up. This is going to be very hard, and you might not even get any motion out of this when you first start trying. But just keep on swimming, you will get there. Once we're done this, I'm going to put my legs out in front of my body, and I'm going to do some single leg lifts or some compression. I'm going to do a pump and hold technique. You can see here that I pump my leg for anywhere from 5 to 10 to 12 reps, and then I hold it anywhere from 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, whatever you feel like doing. After this is done, stretch out the hamstrings in your forward fold. Now I'm moving on to the other leg, starting with the pump, trying to focus on keeping my torso upright, engaging my core, and now I will hold it. Again, you can hold as many seconds as you would like, just as long as you're moving every day. That's my goal. One more time, I go into my forward fold so I can stretch out the hamstrings. Feels oh so nice. To end off our movement practice, I'm going to go into child's pose. I'm going to rock my hips back and forward, back and forward. This is another pump and hold technique. Once I'm done my repetitions of the pump, I'm going to hold this stretch in the back position, trying to relax my breathing and stay nice and calm. Guys, that is our full body conditioning sequence. I hope you enjoyed watching my movement practice. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.